Right, let's make this quick. Bathurst is about to start. This is a review for the ToolPRO Cordless 18 volt blower. It is a skin only, no battery or charger. Although if you've already got a kit, one of the other drill kits and stuff, you'll have the battery and charger. If not, you can buy a battery and charger separately. It's a 4 amp hour battery, which is what I'll be using to test this today. Enough talk, let's get into the box. And here it is, comes in 2 bits, nozzle and the tool. Nozzle just goes on like so, only fits on the front, doesn't go in here. So she's just a blower, it's just a little blower for around the workshop, blowing dust out of your car, all that sort of thing. I'm going to chuck this 4 amp hour battery on and we'll take it for a blast. Got a quiet sort of slow ramp up there at the beginning. Soft start, quite nice, not too loud. Fair bit of suction there. Right, let's see if I can clean up some crap in my garage. Now, as you can see in the garage here, there's a lot of sawdust and crap on the floor. Now, if you were using a broom, you'd have to shift all these other things out of the way to get that crap out. But with a blower, you can just leave them without and blow around it. Blow around all your tools and what have you, and fire the stuff straight out the garage door. So there you have it, a nice simple blower for around the house. Now I'm just going to clean up a few more things, have a play in the garden with it, and finish tidying up the garage before the great race. Cheers. If you want to check out any more ToolPRO products, have a look at these links here on this side, and maybe I'll put a couple on this side as well. I'll put 4 of them up, shall I? Have a look at those. ToolPRO stuff available from your nearest SuperCheap Auto. Cheers.